Every agency knows the feeling. A great new project comes in, and the only way to know whether the team can take it is a nervous guess about who seems busy. The Team Capacity and Utilization Planner replaces that guess with a picture, an owned Excel and Google Sheets workbook that shows exactly who's over-allocated and who has room. It starts on the Setup tab. List your people and give each one an honest available hours figure, the time in their month that can actually go to project work. Set your target utilization, add your projects, and you're ready. Everything downstream reads from here, so you set it once. Then you book the work, 1 row per person on a project with the hours you expect each month. Put someone on 3 projects and they get 3 rows. The planner adds them up. Pick names and projects from dropdowns so nothing breaks the math, and plan across a full 6-month horizon. Here's where it earns its keep. For every person, every month, the planner divides their booked hours by their available hours and flags the result. Over means booked past 100%. Someone's underwater. Low means room to take on more. In the example, 2 people run over in October and November, caught early. The overview pulls it all together. Team utilization by month against your target, how many people are over-allocated, and the spare capacity you actually have. It even surfaces the first month you run tight. So when the next project lands, you answer, "Can we take this on from the numbers?" Before the meeting, not after. And every flag is a plain word, not just a color. Over, low, or okay. So the meaning survives a grayscale printout and a quick glance alike. There's no rainbow of cells to decode. You just read who needs attention and who has room. It comes with 4 guides too. A Start Here guide on what utilization really means, a deeper utilization and capacity guide, a resourcing playbook for turning the plan into decisions, resolving over-allocation, using the bench, and knowing when to hire, and a printable planner for the wall. Best of all, you own it. No per-seat fee, no monthly subscription, no app holding your team's workload on someone else's server. Just a file you keep and reuse every planning cycle. Find the Team Capacity and Utilization Planner at Ardent Workshop. Own it. Don't rent it.